Welcome to day 22 of our 30-day meditation challenge. Today we'll be practicing all-encompassing awareness. So finding that posture that feels supportive for your meditation practice. You might be seated upright, lying down, standing, whatever allows you to find that balance between being both alert and also at ease in the body. And it can be helpful to close the eyes to bring the attention inward. But if it feels more supportive, you can certainly just keep the eyes a quarter of the way open, gazing a few feet in front of you on the floor. And let's take a slow, deep breath in and then out through the nostrils. Letting that breath return to its natural rhythm. Really letting the body settle into this present moment, aligned, body and mind resting in one place. Aligned and available, letting your mindfulness be front and center and also all around, a sphere of awareness, expanding in all directions. Taking this backward step and allowing all experience to simply arise in the space of an all-encompassing awareness. Awareness knowing breath, awareness knowing sensations, awareness encompassing sound, thoughts, all appearing within this open, vast space of your own awareness. Nothing needs to be pushed away, and nothing needs to be held. allowing experience to come and go, just knowing, just breathing, just being. Awareness front, center, and all around. Noticing how the body feels now. Resting in this all-encompassing awareness that is the nature of your own mind. Thank you for practicing with me on day 22 of our meditation challenge. And I do hope you'll practice with me again tomorrow. Namaste.